Authorities are urging Aussies to be aware of measles symptoms. As the highly infectious virus appears to be bouncing back to pre-pandemic levels, it comes at the same time as public health experts are raising the alarm in the US, where hundreds of cases have been reported across multiple states, mostly among unvaccinated people. Australian Medical Association President Dr Danielle McMullen joins us now live from Queensland. Great to have you with us. So Danielle, how concerned should we be?
I think in the context, as you said, of growing numbers of cases around the rest of the world and the way people are travelling again now, there is more risk that it's coming back into Australia. And certainly we have seen a number of cases in Australia this year. So people should be alert but not alarmed. And of course, the best protection is to make sure your vaccinations are up to date.
Yeah, and if we happen to get it, what are the symptoms that we're looking out for?
Yeah, so the symptoms of measles in the first few days, it's like a flu-y virus, high fevers, runny nose, achy, but then over the next, so after about 3 days, you get this very distinct red blotchy rash, usually starts on the head and moves down, but always our advice, if there's fevers and a rash, call ahead to your GP and make sure that they know that might be the case, and they might treat you a little bit differently and put you in a room on your own and make sure we're not risking spreading it further.
Okay, there's some of the symptoms on the screen at the moment. There's already been one death attributed to the disease in the US, hasn't there? And new Health Secretary JFK Jr. is facing some backlash after saying he wants every American to catch the measles. This kind of sounds like that herd immunity, doesn't it?
It's an abhorrent comment, and as a doctor, it sickens me to hear that kind of wording come from a leader in health. Vaccination is the most incredible invention of modern medicine. In Australia, we've seen a 99% reduction in deaths since we've introduced vaccines for preventable illnesses. It's vaccinations that help with herd immunity without causing the huge amounts of brain damage and other outcomes that we see if people catch measles. So don't catch measles, do get your vaccine, and let's protect Australians that way.
Yeah, what a reduction. Danielle, thank you so much for your time.